Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to learn how to use the present continuous or present progressive in the interrogative form. So take the time to practice and keep watching. Please try to repeat with me, okay? So are you ready? Let's start. How to ask a question. How to ask a question. Let's see. The interrogative form is the auxiliary verb to be is, or are, plus subject, plus present participle, plus, of course, question mark. Okay, so here is an example. Is he reading? Is he reading? So we move here the auxiliary verb to the front, and then we put the subject. Is he reading? How to use or how to answer a short answer. Let's see. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Okay, this is the short answer. Let's practice. Am I playing tennis? Am I playing tennis? You see here we have the auxiliary of verb to be in the front. It is moved to the front. Okay, and then the subject and then the present participle. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Am I playing tennis? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. In the answer we use the auxiliary verb to be. Are you playing tennis? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Is he playing tennis? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she playing tennis? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it playing tennis? No, of course, it isn't. No, it isn't. Are we playing tennis? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are you playing tennis? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are they playing tennis? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Summary. Here is a summary for the present continuous in the interrogative form. So let's see it. Am I, plus present participle plus the question mark. Am I, for example, teaching? Am I teaching? Or am I studying? Or is he? Or is she? Or is it? Plus present participle. Are you? Are we? Are they? Plus present participle. Okay, so this is the form. For the short forms, the short answers. Yes, I am. Yes, you, we, they are. Yes, he, she, it is. Okay, no, I'm not. No, you, we, they aren't. No, he, she, it isn't. It's very simple. So please try to learn them by heart. Okay, because it's a very important lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. So try to practice with the following verbs. Verb to wake, verb to eat, verb to drink, verb to work, verb to smile, verb to write, verb to have, verb to catch, verb to try, verb to do, verb to wish, and verb to mix. Please try to practice. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I wish you good luck. See you soon.